Hello everyone, this is Roshni Shri Abhirami, a legal intern with Lexis and Company. In this particular video, I'll be dealing about a particular topic in international law, that is modes of acquisition of territory under the international law. So we might have seen territories occupying other territories which were earlier not a part of the particular territory. So sovereign countries basically are not confined or not allowed, even though they are not allowed to interfere into the matters of other countries, they always have the right to acquire territory in a legal form that is provided to them under the legal frameworks of international law. So basically I'll be explaining 5 modes of acquisition in this particular video, that is cession, occupation, accretion, subjugation and prescription. So these are the 5 ways of acquiring a territory or modes of acquiring territory according to international law. So first let me explain one by one in detail. What is cession? So if you belong to a particular country X and your neighboring country is Y, and you think that you can give a part of your sovereign territory to Y because you cannot manage it, or suppose your Y neighboring country is continuously torturing you for it, or if you want to seize off your rights for that particular territory and give away it to the territory Y, you can do it by the process of cession. So acquiring a particular territory by giving away the territory is through legal ways is called as cession. So this is what happened with regards to India as well. When India-Pakistan partition happened, India gave away, seized a particular part of India to form Pakistan and East Pakistan. This is called cession. So giving away a sovereign country, giving away a part of its territory because of certain circumstances. This is called cession. Now what is occupation? If suppose there is an island, or suppose there is a land where nobody lives and nobody has ever known about this particular land. If you find this particular land, and if a particular sovereign country goes into this island first, or an international community goes into this island and claims it theirs, it could be considered as occupation, and acquiring a territory through occupation. Now, according to Article 42 of the Hague Regulations of 1907, territory is deemed to be occupied when it's placed under the control of the opposing army. So this is the definition provided in the Article 42 of the Hague Resolution. And according to Jennings, it is the appropriation by a state of a region that is not under the authority of other state at the time. So nobody has control over this particular territory, and when you occupy this particular territory when nobody was inhabited in the particular territory, it can be considered to be occupation. That is acquisition by occupation. Now we know what is occupation too. What is accretion? So basically, accretion is a formation of a new territory by itself. Suppose there is a natural calamity, or if there is a drought or something, we always know that some miracles happen in the world, and sometimes land arises out of itself, out of nowhere. Sometimes the land could be submerged in the sea and suddenly it comes out of the water and everything, and suddenly a new land is formed or anything. That time, that particular land which the land is attached to, it can be considered to be a part of the territory to which it is attached. So this process is called accretion, when it all of the sudden it appears on the top, and that particular territory can be occupied by the territory which is attached to it. That is accretion. Now subjugation. What is subjugation? We always know that in the previous era, or in the olden times, kings used to wage war against another kingdoms in order to gain their territory. That is exactly subjugation. You waging war against your neighboring country or any other country in order to gain their territory. What is the difference between cession and subjugation? Both are giving away the land to another country. Basically, cession is legal, and cession is based made upon on a legal document that you are giving away this thing, and without any war or anything. But in subjugation, there is a war, there is an armed rebellion, and there is everything, and because of that you have to give away your territory because you lost in it. The international law, the League of Nations Covenant declared it illegal to engage in a war for the aim for gaining territory. The Article 10 of the League of Nations Covenant states that it's illegal to wage a war in order to gain territory. So this is subjugation, acquiring territory through land, even territory through war. So and also it is illegal to do so. Now what is prescription? Prescription is defined as the acquisition of sovereignty over a territory through a continuous and uninterrupted exercise of possession on that particular territory or sovereignty over that particular territory for a very long period of time. If you could prove that I have been living in this particular territory for so long and you have complete rights over that particular territory, it means that you are the sovereign of that particular territory, and that territory belongs to your own country. So these are the modes of accusation. Hope you understood this video, and thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. Thank you so much.